Have you ever wanted to remove an old or inactive credit card account from your QuickBooks Online, but you're worried about messing up your books or losing important data? In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to safely delete or disconnect a credit card account in QuickBooks Online without affecting your financial records. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to do it the right way in 2025. First things first, it's important to know that QuickBooks Online doesn't let you completely erase a credit card account with transaction history. This is to protect your financial data and reports. Instead, what you can do is safely disconnect or make it inactive, so it no longer appears in your active accounts list, but your past records remain intact. Here's how to do it. Log in to your QuickBooks Online account and head to the dashboard. Go to the Transactions or Banking tab, depending on your interface. Find the credit card account you want to remove from the list of connected accounts. Click on the small edit or pencil icon next to that account. From here, select Edit Account Info. If it's connected for online banking, check the box that says Disconnect this account on Save. This will stop QuickBooks from downloading new transactions from that card. Next, make sure all transactions related to that credit card are either matched, categorized, or reconciled. This is crucial because any pending transactions can cause discrepancies in your reports. Once you're ready, you can also mark the account as inactive by selecting the option to make it inactive. This way, it won't show in your active list, but stays in your records for historical purposes. And that's it. Your credit card account is now safely removed from your active accounts without deleting any past data. So that's how you safely delete or disconnect a credit card account in QuickBooks Online. Remember, never rush this process. Always reconcile your transactions first to avoid any reporting issues. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more QuickBooks tips, and share this video with others who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.